Hello friends, welcome to Maths tutorial. Today we will find the multiples of 9. So let's start. We will take only the first 10 multiples of 9. As you all know that the number of multiples of any number is infinite. So let's begin. We will firstly multiply 9 with 1 and that gives us 9. Multiplication of 9 and 2 gives us 18. Multiplication of 9 and 3 gives us 27. Multiplying 9 with 4, we get 36. Multiplying 9 with 5, we get 45. Multiplication of 9 and 6 gives us 54. We get 63 after multiplication of 9 and 7. We get 72 after multiplication of 9 and 8. If we multiply 9 with 9, we get 81. And lastly, multiplication of 9 and 10 gives us 90. So look that here are the first 10 multiples of 9, which are the orange ones. Those are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81 and 90. You can find more multiples of 9 using the same process. Thank you for watching. Please like and share the video if you find it useful. Please leave your comment in the comment box.